Hey guys, I'm employee 75846, and I wanted to let you know that the Home Expo by Third Dimension is almost here. That's right, July 4th. It's gonna be bigger than ever. And we have a new location at the BUT Hall, also known as the Belinda M. Wilson Convention Center. All of your favorite contractors, lenders, mortgage brokers are gonna be right here on site. You don't wanna miss it.
The IBC is one of our proud sponsors, and guys, you want to be there.
The Grand Bahama Port Authority is one of our major sponsors. Family Guardian's gonna be there, so make sure you come and check out on your insurance and a mortgage. Heroic Concrete Supplies is gonna be in-house as well.
You mean this heroic?
No, dummy, that Heroic.
Oh, that. Come on down.
And of course, the Rhythm is gonna be there, bringing the vibes. Modern Air will be there. Everyone's gonna be there to help you build your home from the ground up.
Be there.
July 4th, starting at 2 p.m. at the BUT Hall or the Belinda M. Wilson Convention Center.
See you there.